farewell speech for colleague.
Good evening everyone. Today is the day when one of our dearest colleagues is parting ways. Mohammed, who had joined the company as an SEO manager 3 years back, will soon be bidding goodbye to all of us. He is known for his hard work, dedication and quick results. His innovative and visionary ideas have borne fruitful results. Working under his guidance had always been a blessing. The way he organizes and manages the work is beyond excellence. This is the reason why most of the difficult projects were assigned to him, because he could manage and deliver them in the best possible way. I am fortunate that I got an opportunity to know such a wonderful soul, not just professionally, but also personally. Mohammed, you will be really missed. On behalf of the entire team, I wish you a successful life. Keep in touch. Your contribution to the company will be appreciated forever. Thank you.